will stop. Yeah. And then just kind of swing it around and. Can I just turn this? It should. Yeah, it should. Lock on it. Let's see. Wave, okay?
Is there anybody here who hasn't registered for the drawing? Anybody? Okay, you're doing it. Okay, do that right now. We've got a couple minutes left. We're pulling for the truck. Someone is winning that truck right out there on the point. Okay, a couple minutes. We're pulling. Get excited. Come on. You're going to win a $40,000 truck. Come on. Get a little excited. Here we go. We're almost ready. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
That was good.
Someone please back up on this vehicle. Any veterans here? Any veterans? Any veterans? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. If you're a veteran.
Anybody out here? Got one more. Got one? Okay. I just want to make sure. One more. Okay. Everybody got it over here? I hate for anybody to miss out. Tommy's got one. Okay. Okay. As soon as we get it, we're pulling. Okay, I want to know who lives the farthest from here? Right now, who lives 400 miles away? No, not you. No, not you. Customers, how far away? Guadalajara, Mexico. Okay, that'll make it real easy. But I don't want you. Who's next farthest away? Farmington. Who lives farther than Farmington?
Nigeria.
No. Again, in the state of Arizona. Or New Mexico. Farmington? Can you help me? Will you help me? Okay.
Rod, do you want your dad out here?
Hey, there's five people in line right now still waiting. I know. I'm just talking. I'm just getting set up. Easy, take it easy.
Alright, you can done it. It's all good. Carson. Go see if Grandpa's in the office. You working for? You have 50 minutes. Yeah. We're about ready.
You do not have to be present to win, just so you guys know. But this is how we're going to do it. There was one per household entered, so if anybody entered doubles, and I pull your name, we're going to go back to the computer to verify everything's good, the number, and I'll come back and verify. If there was two in one household, it is denied. Just so you know, so if anybody tries to pull a fast one and get two in there, it's not going to work, okay? But we're going to have her help me in just a second.
You should have told it. You should ask them.
Will you go double check and make sure I don't have any left? I got a couple more left. Yeah, it's over right now. No more entries. Right. No more entries. Yeah, the ones that are in there, they're going to finish up and they're going to come out. Right. I'm not going to drive yet. I'm just getting it ready. Are you excited? Really excited? Are you guys excited? Are you sure? Come on! I'm gonna give a $40,000 truck away no matter what I did! Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm gonna just guess. There's gotta be less than, I don't know, there's gotta be less than 1,000 in there for sure. Oh yeah. So you have a 1 in however many's in there, chance of winning a $40,000 truck. Who does that? GMC. Okay, what does other people do? They don't do this. We're going to give somebody that brand new truck out there in less than 5 minutes. If we can get somebody to hurry up. That's it. 2 more coming? How long does it take to do it?
It takes a while.
Following your system, Rob.
Oh, it's the best system in the world. I want to make sure that when we pull the name that it's correct. That's what we're doing. We're trying to dedupe before we get there.
Yeah.
You don't have to write their names on it. We got their numbers. Yeah. All we got to do is
It's on
get
their
their
app.
number. Yeah, it's on the app.
Oh, yeah.
Anybody more?
Yeah, there's
One more? Okay. One more. It's anticipation. Anticipation. That's it? You sure? You don't have to put it on. That's the last one that I've got the numbers. Early is last one. Okay, we're going to spin it and then you're going to drop it. Okay?
Here, go ahead.
See? See why we do this? This is technical. Everything in? All in, all done? Go ahead, stick your hand in there, move it all around, and pull out one ticket. One ticket.
You ready to go?
Karen Boyle.
Karen, boy. Out of here.
That's what it says on the back. I'm going to go check in the back, make sure she's good. Don't let anybody get in there. Make sure it's okay. Give me just a minute.
Is anybody related to him?
Would anybody go by the Hillies or Karen Boy? Is it? Get your hands out of here.
Good? Good? Karen Boyle's winner, St. John's, Arizona. Right now, get her a Christmas present she's never going to forget. We want to thank everybody for coming, participating. Stick around, we still got lots of deals to do.
Does she have to pay the taxes on it?
They still buy something cheap?
Absolutely. We're selling them cheap and we're selling them cheap right here. That's what we're doing. You get a lot of money for the trade-in. Thank you guys. Hey, thank you guys. Very good.
Yes, they did.
Merry Christmas.
All right. Good work.
We ready?
We're ready, we're rolling, we're good.
We're
Action.
calling Karen Boyle the #1 winner of the 2011 GMC 4x4 Z71 Crew Cab Truck at Hatch Motor Company. We're dialing.
Alvin Benelli. Alvin Benelli.
We're gonna dial again.
Benelli.
So glad you're back.
Benelli.
I hope you're doing good.
Alvin.
She needs a new truck too, folks. Her truck has 170,000 miles on it. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm so excited.
Must be live TV, she not answering.
Hello,
Hello, is Karen Boyle available?
this is Karen Boyle.
Karen Boyle from St. John's, Arizona?
Yes.
The Karen Boyle that happened to frequent Hatch GMC Trucks' huge mega giveaway?
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious. You are the winner.
No way.
I'm dead serious. Are you so excited?
I am so excited. I cannot even believe it.
Believe it, baby. Hatch GMC Trucks just gave you a brand new 2011 GMC Crew Cab Short Box 4x4 Z71 truck.
He probably said
Oh
that.
my gosh, you have got to be kidding.
I'm not kidding. I'm holding the paper right here in my hand. I'm holding the ticket in my hand. We verified it. You're the winner.
Oh my heck.
Merry Christmas to you.
Oh my heck. What do I need to do now?
You need to come and see me
When?
whenever it's convenient for you.
You know what? I'm in the valley right now.
That's fantastic.
And I absolutely cannot do this. When we drove through, I told my husband, I said, you know, what if I didn't get truck for Christmas?
Well, Merry Christmas.
Oh my heck, are you serious?
Yes, ma'am. We're serious.
We'll be there Monday morning.
You come whenever you want. We'll have it ready for you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yep, and we'll see you on Monday.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye. She was crying.
She was, you could tell that's so cool.
There you have it.
Okay.
Okay, Karen. Are you so excited to be here?
I am so excited.
Really? What brought you into Hatch Motor Company?
Today?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this did. I just won a new 2011 GMC pickup truck
Exactly. And where'd you win it from?
here at Hatch Motors. This is just amazing.
How long have you been a customer? You're gonna have to tell your fans you gotta wait.
You know, my husband bought a set of three-wheelers from Hatch Motor Company back in 1981, so we're longtime customers. Our Dodge pickup truck we bought from Hatch Motors, and satisfied customers for a long time.
That's fantastic. What are you gonna do with your brand new truck?
I wish I could go to Disneyland. That's my goal. But I have a whole slew of little grandkids that are just waiting for a ride. They are so excited.
Well, that's fantastic. And it's Christmas time, and are you ready for Christmas?
We are now. I told my husband, I was kidding with him. I told him that he was getting a new truck for Christmas, and I told him that I had stopped and registered for this drawing, and he had laughed at me. And after I got the phone call Saturday evening, he went online to check the phone number to see where the phone number was at. And we still cannot believe it's actually happening.
Well, that's fantastic. Well, we're glad that you won, and we're glad that you have been a previous customer of Hatch Motors for so long, and we're just excited to give it to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's... Is it going? Okay. We're here at Hatch GMC Trucks, I'm Rob Hatch, and this is Karen Boyle, the winner of the 2011 GMC Crew Cab Short Wheelbase Z71 4x4 that we had a huge promotion on last week. It's 4 days before Christmas. Today's the 21st? 20th. Today's the 20th. So, as promised, right before Christmas, we give a brand new GMC truck away. And she has been a customer with us, with her husband. You can come on in here, Mr. Boyle. We want to show you too, Gilman. You've been doing business with us for years and years and years. So we're excited to give, come on in here. We want you in the shop. We're excited to give you the keys to the brand new truck. And we're elated that you won it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate it very, very much. All the business that you've done. What? Oh, start the car now. We don't need to start it inside. We're gonna get it all done and all ready to go. But we're just excited to give it to them, and we're excited for all your patronage and everything that you've done for us. We hope you enjoy it.
This is unreal. Thank you so
No
much.
problem at all. We appreciate it.
Oh, see how they feel.
Yes, exactly.